Open that one, yeah.
That's title. And this one's the title to open. Open the side. What's it? Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Hulk smash!
Let's see.
Hulk smash! And this was a car. You turn into a car.
He turned into a car. Okay, go and get the next one out the bag. Okay. Get the next one here.
Where's it go here?
Go get the next one out the bag.
This one?
Yep.
No, I can't this one. Where's the side? Okay. Let me open it. A microphone! A microphone!
Yeah.
It's microphone. The Freddy does that. No, the Freddy.
The Five Nights at Freddy.
Yeah. That was the Bowie one.
Yes, for the boy, yes.
That was a microphone of Freddy. A microphone of Freddy.
Okay.
This is how we And this was a microphone.
Hand me that paper right there beside you. Right here beside you, look. On this side. Yep.
That was a microphone Freddy and Freddy dancing. He's dancing in this one. Freddy. Freddy's is here.
Okay, get the next present.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Let's move this beside you. Move your foot. Okay, here, right here. Okay.
Wow, that's Lisa Turner. Lisa Turner played the game. Played the game, and that was the Lisa Turner and boy. That was just not the girl.
Okay.
Not the girl. That was a Bowie. This was a Bowie that we go Lisa Turtle.
That's a Ninja Turtle.
Yeah.
Is it it's a truck? Is it the pizza van? It's a pizza van. Okay, let's go with the next one. Okay, next one.
I put the title this in here. This one. I tried to say. What is this? What's this? What's this one? This one. Car. What's this a car?
It's a guitar.
The bunny that
And the bunny on Five Nights at Freddy had one.
Yeah. What's that?
Okay, let's go to the next one. Hand me the trash.
Hey.
Okay, come on. Next one. Yeah. Okay, go to the next one. Right there.
This one? No, this was big. Let's put the product back. What is this about for? How you got that? How you got that? How you got that? How you
Is that a Mario,
No.
Mario Kart?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. It's a Mario Kart racetrack, huh?
Yeah.
With Donkey Kong.
Exactly. Oh, this.
Okay, go to the next one.
This one is inside of here. Nothing to get this here.
Mario Kart with the Donkey Kong. Come on, next one.
Yeah. This one, the Batman. The Batman is made. He made my favorite color is
Okay, let's
black.
open it.
My favorite
We got another
color.
Mario Kart.
What's this?
Robot Alive.
What's this? What's this?
Transformer. His bike.
A bumblebee.
Scooter.
A bumblebee.
Is that Bumblebee?
Bumblebee. Extra further. Extra further.
Yo, Elmo slide. Okay, come on.
A bumblebee.
It's a Bumblebee, yeah.
A bumblebee is as hard as that.
Come on.
He turned into a race car.
Paper. Yeah, he do turn into a race car.
He said, down. He put it down.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Oh, yeah. This is in here. A big one? This was a big.
Get the small ones first. Here, open this one first. Open these first.
Open this one first.
No, these.
What's this?
Open it.
What's this?
And I tell you, Jair likes to open gifts.
Fast?
You open them fast?
Yeah.
Okay. You like to open?
Yeah.
He wanted to open everybody's gift today.
The open it I got, the open it I get.
You open the gifts?
Yeah. Yeah, I got the fun maybe. Maybe I saw this even more. This so either. That was me. It made me Cassie. It made me Cassie. It made me Cassie.
She was cussing. We'll tell her she better not be cussing.
He cussed again.
Yeah, Mimi. We're going to whoop Mimi's butt.
Yeah,
Okay, come on. What is that? Let me see what the egg is. That slime? Oh, slime with the little dino in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this.
Okay, open this one, next one.
Where did it go to pay? Did this one?
Come on.
This one. This one.
Okay, open that.
This one? Okay, that's one. What's this?
So it opened up.
A
A
pencil.
lot of stuff hit.
All the stuff.
My sisters. We got the big dino.
A big
Robot
dino
snake.
A snake is a snake, boy. A baby is a snake, boy. What?
Come on now. You only got a couple more.
A couple boys. 1, 2.
Okay, open that.
Open this one. What's this? Strawberry. A strawberry. Spider-Man. A Spider-Man.
Yes, it's Spider-Man.
A Freddy. That was Freddy a microphone.
Mm-hmm.
That was a microphone. The Freddy microphone.
Mm-hmm. Come on.
This is nice.
Okay, let's open the next one. Good job.
That's what's good. What is this? What's this?
Is that a surprise ball?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
This was a ball.
Let's go to the next one. Open. Come on.
Oh.
Your B slab. Come on.
What's this? What's this? What?
It's a viewfinder.
I see this.
You see it? Okay, let's go to the next one. Come on.
I'll open the price again.
This one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
This one. I'll see the back. Bumblebee again?
Another bumblebee.
Again, bumblebee.
Yeah.
A bumblebee is that. So I'll put splitter. A
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Okay.
This was a bumblebee.
You got a bumblebee turn into the car.
Yeah, you turned into the car. This.
Okay, let's open up this last one.
Yes, what big?
Yeah, the last one, big one here.
Yeah, that's a big. What's that size? What's that?
Optimus Prime.
I put sweater.
Optimus Prime.
You turn into a robot.
He turned into the robot.
Sweater. He turned into the car. He turned into the car. Yeah.
Okay, let me get the paper.
Whoa.
Let me get the paper real quick.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, you got almost all here. Grab me those 2 pieces of paper over there. Right here. Up under your leg. There you go.
I got this one.
You like your Optimus Prime?
Yeah.
Is that nice?
Yes. What am I?
So which one you want to open?
A Freddy color.
Your Freddy Krueger?
A color.
Your color?
Yeah.
You want to... Hold on.
What is this?
Let's see. It's a magnetic activity set.
Yeah.
I thought this was what you was playing with on the way home.
Yeah. That was Freddy.
That's candy. You got another color and sticker activity. Come on. What else is in there?
This one.
Oh, some snacks. What else?
What's this?
Oh, that's some candy.
A that is yummy. That is not healthy.
It's not healthy? No, it's not healthy.
What is this?
That's bottle pop. And this is Nutella. You like to put these on your sandwiches.
The sandwiches.
Yeah, there's some more Nutella.
The sandwiches is cool.
It's cool.
No. Outside.
Here, that's the rest of the stuff to go in your stocking.
Candy.
Candy. And what else?
That was gummy bear.
Gummy bears.
Yeah.
What else?
Candy.
Candy.
Yes, candy.
Uh-oh.
I get a candy.
You got some more candy. What else?
Socket.
Chocolate spoons for your hot chocolate.
No.
Yeah, what else?
I eat that socket.
You gonna eat that chocolate?
Sure.
Oh yeah, you already opened that one. Let's see what else is in there.
After this one.
I know you're drawing. Can we see what else is in there? JJ.
That Freddy.
Oh, okay. That's Five Nights at Freddy, huh? Let me see.
That was Freddy.
What else is in the bag? He likes this. Oh, you got a Jacob's Ladder. Fidget toys.
Again?
Some more candy.
Yeah.
Hershey Kisses.
Candy again.
And some more candy.
More candy again.
Some lemon chews. And some Reese Pieces.
What's it?
Some butter cookies. Let's see.
A cookie.
Yeah,
healthy?
yeah.
Cookie healthy?
It's not healthy, but these are good.
Yeah. Let's try it.
You just try. Yeah.
Let's see it.
And this is some more sticker activity set. And
What is
some
this?
slime.
Side.
Yeah, some slime. All putty. Noise putty. And toothbrush. Okay.
Toothbrush is healthy.
Yeah.
Toothbrush is healthy.
Toothbrush is on sale. He says it's on sale. Is that it?
No. This
And the wash rags. Okay. Is that it? Okay. Here.
What's this?
Open it. Let's see. What's in the box? Shoes. You got some shoes?
Yeah.
Let me see. You got some cool shoes?
It's so good.
Yeah.
Try it on.
Okay, we're not going to try them on right now. Let's put them back in the box. We were just showing how cool your shoes are.
A cool suit.
Yes, your cool shoes. And turtles.
And these are turtles. This one.
Your other turtle.
Yeah, that was this other turtle.
Okay, here. And the rest of your stockings. What's in there?
Yeah, it's this one.
Okay, Elf on the Shelf. And what else? Surprise pack.
Again.
You got another Elf on the Shelf surprise pack. And what else is in there? Another one. And what else? I think these are what the elves said that their stocking they made for you.
What is this?
Oh, they made you another snow secret surprise pack. These are from Day Day and Tay Tay, huh?
Yeah.
And what is that? Oh, that's for you to color on.
Yeah, do put
A scrubby. You gonna put it back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they put it back to the sale. This was a sale.
Okay. That was on sale?
That was the sale. It's a sale. That's the elf.
The elf on the shelf?
Yeah, where's the elf? The elf in the house. I have to go there. It's two. Yeah, that's
Here, let's see what they... Maybe that's from Day. Maybe that's... Again? They get you another surprise. You sure know these was on sale, huh?
Again.
Ha! They was on sale?
Yeah, again.
That's the first thing you said. These was on sale.
This was on sale.
Okay, you gonna put them back in there? This was on sale?
Yeah, that's it.
You said I remember that.
Remember that?
You remember that? Yeah.
Yeah.
These were all on sale.
It's falling. It's falling again.
Is it falling?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's about falling.
And you got 2 more toothbrushes. They was on sale.
It's empty.
Okay. Is that everything?
No. It got with the bag.
Bag. So is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, you've got a lot of nice stuff for Christmas. And you like your shoes?
Yeah, that was just
Your turtle stuff.
It's Tessa. It's turtle.
This is Spider-Man activity coloring set. It's got 3 books in there. And it's a carrying case.
What is
To
this?
carry it with him.
This one.
Yeah, which thing you want to open first? And then your snake. What you want to open?
This one?
The karaoke machine?
No, the microphone.
The microphone? Okay. So see y'all later. I'm about to play.
See you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Kisses.
Merry Christmas, everybody, and thanks for stopping by our channel. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you can subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Have a Merry Christmas, and bye-bye. You say bye-bye?
Bye.